Inflation is guzzling your money like there's no tomorrow, silently eroding the value of your hard-earned cash. Imagine waking up one morning to find that the money in your wallet has lost its purchasing power. It's a financial phenomenon that can leave you feeling drained, like a bathtub with a slow leak. The numbers are staggering, with inflation rates ranging from 2% to 10% annually, depending on the country. That's like losing 2 to 10 rupees for every 100 rupees you save each year. To put it into perspective, if you had 10,000 rupees in a savings account, you could buy 100 kilograms of rice at 100 rupees per kilogram. But with a 5% inflation rate, that same 10,000 rupees can only buy 95 kilograms of rice the following year. It's a sneaky foe that can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. Inflation is a global issue, affecting economies from the United States to India, and everywhere in between. The impact is felt across various aspects of life, from housing to food to transportation. Inflation can be particularly devastating for retirees living on fixed incomes, as their purchasing power decreases over time. It's essential to understand how inflation works to protect your financial future. Did you know that elephants drink a whopping 200 liters of water every single day? That's equivalent to filling a large bathtub, and it's a crucial aspect of their survival in the wild. Elephants need access to vast amounts of water to stay hydrated, especially in hot climates. In fact, an adult elephant can lose up to 10% of its body weight in water each day, which is roughly 50 to 60 liters. To replenish this loss, elephants will often travel long distances to reach a reliable water source. Their water intake is so massive that it's equivalent to a human drinking around 20 to 25 liters of water daily. This impressive thirst is a testament to the elephant's incredible size and metabolism. Elephants have a unique physiology that allows them to conserve water, with a highly efficient kidney system that minimizes water loss. Despite this, they still require a tremendous amount of water to function, highlighting the importance of hydration in their ecosystem. In the wild, elephants play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their environment, and their water consumption is a key part of this process. By studying elephant behavior, we can gain insights into the natural world and its many wonders. The elephant's remarkable water intake serves as a fascinating example of adaptation and survival. In the context of finance, this concept can help us understand the impact of inflation on our savings. The concept of inflation has been around for centuries, with ancient civilizations experiencing economic fluctuations due to factors like wars, natural disasters, and crop failures. The word inflation itself was first used in the 16th century to describe the devaluation of currency. Historically, inflation was often associated with an increase in the money supply, which would lead to a surge in prices and a subsequent decrease in the value of money. In ancient Rome, for example, the government would sometimes print more money to pay for wars, resulting in inflation and decreased purchasing power. Similarly, in medieval Europe, the debasement of currency led to inflation, as more coins were minted with less valuable metals. The understanding of inflation has evolved over time, with modern economists recognizing it as a complex phenomenon influenced by various factors, including monetary policy, economic growth, and global events. The study of inflation has become a crucial aspect of economics, helping us better comprehend the dynamics of the economy. By examining historical examples, we can gain a deeper understanding of the causes and effects of inflation. Inflation has been a persistent issue throughout history, affecting economies in different ways. The impact of inflation can be far-reaching, influencing everything from consumer spending to business investment. In the past, inflation was often seen as a necessary evil, a trade-off for economic growth and development. However, as our understanding of economics has improved, so has our ability to manage and mitigate the effects of inflation. Elephants are known for their exceptional memory, which plays a crucial role in their social behavior and survival. They have been observed displaying empathy, cooperation, and self-awareness, making them one of the most intelligent animal species. In the context of inflation, the elephant's memory can serve as a reminder of the importance of long-term planning and financial awareness. Just as an elephant remembers the location of a watering hole from years ago, we should remember the impact of inflation on our savings and adjust our financial strategies accordingly. The elephant's brain is highly developed, with a large cortex and a strong sense of spatial awareness, allowing it to navigate complex social hierarchies and environments. This intelligence is a key factor in the elephant's ability to adapt to changing circumstances, including the availability of food and water. By studying the elephant's behavior, we can learn valuable lessons about the importance of foresight and planning in our financial lives. The elephant's memory is a powerful tool, allowing it to learn from experience and make informed decisions. In the wild, elephants have been observed using their memory to avoid danger, find food, and interact with other members of their herd. This complex social behavior is a testament to the elephant's advanced cognitive abilities. The elephant's memory can inspire us to be more mindful of our financial decisions and to plan for the future. By adopting a long-term perspective, we can better navigate the challenges of inflation and achieve our financial goals. The social structure of an elephant herd is a fascinating example of cooperation and mutual support. Led by a matriarchal figure, the herd works together to protect its members, find food, and care for the young. This cooperative behavior is rooted in the elephant's highly developed sense of empathy and altruism, allowing them to form strong bonds with each other. In the context of finance, the elephant herd can serve as a model for collective financial planning and mutual support. Just as the herd works together to achieve common goals, we can work with our family and community to build a stronger financial foundation. The matriarchal structure of the elephant herd is particularly noteworthy, as it highlights the importance of experience and wisdom in financial decision-making. The elder females in the herd have lived through many challenges and have developed a deep understanding of the environment and its rhythms. By seeking the counsel of experienced individuals, we can gain valuable insights into managing our finances and navigating the complexities of inflation. The elephant herd's cooperative behavior is a powerful reminder of the importance of community and mutual support in our financial lives. By working together and sharing our knowledge and experience, we can build a stronger, more resilient financial foundation. The elephant's social structure is a testament to the power of cooperation and collective action. In the wild, elephants have been observed showing empathy and compassion towards each other, demonstrating a deep sense of emotional intelligence. This complex social behavior is a key aspect of the elephant's ability to thrive in its environment. One surprising fact about elephants is their unique relationship with water. Not only do they drink massive amounts, but they also use water to cool themselves, socialize, and even communicate. In fact, elephants have been observed using low-frequency rumbles to communicate with each other over long distances, often while standing in water. This behavior is a testament to the elephant's remarkable adaptability and creativity in using its environment to its advantage. In the context of finance, the elephant's relationship with water can serve as a reminder of the importance of flexibility and adaptability in managing our finances. Just as the elephant uses water to cool itself and communicate, we can use various financial tools and strategies to navigate the challenges of inflation. The elephant's ability to adapt to changing circumstances is a key factor in its survival, and we can learn from this example by being more agile and responsive in our financial decision-making. By embracing change and being open to new ideas, we can better navigate the complexities of the economy and achieve our financial goals. The elephant's unique relationship with water is a fascinating example of its ability to thrive in a variety of environments. This adaptability is a key aspect of the elephant's success, and we can learn from this example by being more flexible and responsive in our financial lives. The elephant's creativity in using water is a testament to its intelligence and resourcefulness. In the wild, elephants have been observed using their trunks to suck up water and then spraying it over their bodies to cool themselves. This behavior is a remarkable example of the elephant's ability to adapt to its environment and thrive in a variety of conditions. The concept of inflation can be connected to the elephant's behavior in several ways. Just as the elephant's water intake is essential for its survival, our understanding of inflation is crucial for maintaining the value of our savings. The elephant's memory and social structure can serve as reminders of the importance of long-term planning and collective financial support. The elephant's adaptability and creativity in using its environment can inspire us to be more flexible and responsive in our financial decision-making. By studying the elephant's behavior, we can gain valuable insights into the importance of financial awareness and planning. The impact of inflation can be significant, with even a moderate inflation rate of 3 to 5% per year eroding the purchasing power of our savings over time. To mitigate this effect, we can use various financial tools and strategies, such as investing in assets that historically perform well during periods of inflation, like precious metals or real estate. We can also adjust our spending habits and budget to account for the effects of inflation, ensuring that our standard of living is not significantly impacted. By being proactive and informed, we can protect our financial well-being and achieve our long-term goals. The elephant's behavior can serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of financial literacy and planning. By embracing this knowledge and adapting to changing circumstances, we can build a stronger financial foundation and thrive in a variety of economic environments. The connection between the elephant's behavior and finance is a fascinating example of how the natural world can inform and inspire our financial decision-making. In India, the impact of inflation can be significant, with rising prices affecting everything from food to housing to transportation. To mitigate this effect, Indian investors often use financial tools like systematic investment plans, SIPs, to invest in assets that historically perform well during periods of inflation, such as the Nifty or Sensex indices. By investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance, investors can reduce their exposure to market volatility and benefit from the power of compounding. Additionally, Indian consumers can adjust their spending habits and budget to account for the effects of inflation, ensuring that their standard of living is not significantly impacted. For example, a family with a monthly budget of 50,000 rupees may need to adjust their spending habits to account for a 5% inflation rate, which could increase their expenses by 2,500 rupees per month. By being proactive and informed, Indian consumers can protect their financial well-being and achieve their long-term goals. The use of equated monthly installments, EMIs, can also help Indian consumers manage their expenses and make large purchases, such as homes or cars, more affordable. By spreading the cost of these purchases over several years, consumers can reduce their monthly expenses and free up more money for savings and investment. The Indian economy is a complex and dynamic system, and understanding the impact of inflation is crucial for making informed financial decisions. By using financial tools and strategies, Indian consumers can navigate the challenges of inflation and build a stronger financial foundation. Let's consider the example of Rohan, a 30-year-old software engineer from Bangalore, who is trying to save for his wedding and a down payment on a house. With a monthly salary of 80,000 rupees, Rohan is struggling to keep up with the rising cost of living in India. Despite his best efforts, he finds that his savings are not growing as quickly as he had hoped, due to the impact of inflation. To mitigate this effect, Rohan decides to start a SIP, investing 10,000 rupees per month in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Over time, Rohan's investments grow, and he is able to achieve his financial goals, including saving for his wedding and a down payment on a house. Rohan's story is a testament to the power of financial planning and the importance of understanding the impact of inflation. By being proactive and informed, Rohan is able to navigate the challenges of the Indian economy and build a stronger financial foundation. Rohan's example can serve as an inspiration to others, highlighting the importance of financial literacy and planning in achieving our long-term goals. By using financial tools and strategies, such as SIPs and EMIs, Indian consumers can protect their financial well-being and thrive in a variety of economic environments. The impact of inflation can be significant, but with the right knowledge and strategies, we can mitigate its effects and achieve our financial goals. Rohan's story is a powerful reminder of the importance of financial awareness and planning in our daily lives. In conclusion, the concept of inflation is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that can have a significant impact on our financial well-being. By understanding the causes and effects of inflation, we can take steps to protect our savings and achieve our long-term goals. The elephant's behavior can serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of financial awareness and planning, as well as the need for adaptability and creativity in our financial decision-making. One key rule to remember is to always consider the impact of inflation when making financial decisions, whether it's investing in assets, adjusting our spending habits, or planning for the future. By being proactive and informed, we can navigate the challenges of inflation and build a stronger financial foundation. As we move forward, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in the economy and to continually educate ourselves about personal finance. By doing so, we can make better financial decisions and achieve our long-term goals, just like Rohan, the software engineer from Bangalore. The connection between the elephant's behavior and finance is a fascinating example of how the natural world can inform and inspire our financial decision-making. By embracing this knowledge and adapting to changing circumstances, we can thrive in a variety of economic environments and achieve financial freedom. Remember, financial awareness is key, and by staying informed, we can make a significant difference in our financial lives. So, stay tuned for more videos from Elephant Economics, where